This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to duplicate money in Oblivion Remastered, an easy guide. First, gather your materials. You will need at least 2 identical scrolls, such as a Detect Life scroll, and any stackable item you wish to multiply. This could be a stack of gold coins, or perhaps some valuable gems or potions. This simple exploit will help you acquire wealth quickly and efficiently within the game. Now, let us prepare your inventory. Open your menu, then find the scroll you wish to use. Drop all but one of these identical scrolls onto the ground. Next, navigate to the stackable item you want to duplicate, like your gold or a gem, and drop that item on the ground too. It is important that the scroll count is exactly 1 remaining in your inventory, and the item is a single stack. With only 1 scroll remaining in your inventory, quickly cast its associated spell. The moment you initiate the spell, immediately open your inventory menu before the casting animation completes. You should observe the item you dropped earlier now highlighted. Select this item, and then confirm that you pick it up. The game cleverly processes both the item pickup and the scroll cast simultaneously, causing the duplication. After successfully duplicating an item once, you will find both the original and its new copies in your inventory. To continue multiplying your wealth, simply drop all but one of the original items, then drop one of your scrolls again. Repeat the quick casting and menu access trick. This method allows you to exponentially increase your holdings, so focus on high-value, lightweight items, like a precious gem, for maximum profit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.